Today we'll do some more questions, some more problems based on integration. So how to find out integration, how to actually integration, as we all know that integration is the inverse operation of differentiation. So today we'll see different types of questions, different types of problems. So we have a question, evaluate integral of, we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So first of all हम कैसे करेंगे, how we'll do this, x 1 चाहिए, so can we write like this, x minus 1. Okay, so when we'll subtract x minus x cancel and minus minus plus 1 हो जाएगा ना, so x into x minus 1 dx. ठीक है, so we can also write like this, x upon x into x minus 1 minus x minus 1 upon x into x minus 1, okay, dx. See, we can do like this. So after doing this, x cancel and x minus 1 cancel. So it will become 1 upon x minus 1 minus 1 upon x. Okay, so now we can apply log ka formula. So integrating this one will get we'll get log of x minus 1, and after integrating this one we'll get 1 only divided by 1, so no change, and 1 upon x के लिए we'll get log of x, ठीक है, plus c. So this will be the integral of this given function with respect to x. Now we have some different type of question, and here f dash x is a function that is given. Here f0 is given, fx you have to find out. So what will be the value of fx? Fx will be the integration of f dash x with respect to x. ठीक है, f dash x means fx का differentiation. So when we are differentiating fx, we are getting f dash x. So after applying integration on this f dash x, we will get fx. ठीक है, so it means integration of f dash x मतलब x square plus 5 with respect to x. So what value will get, x square के लिए integral of x square with respect to x will get x cube divided by 3, and plus 5 के लिए will get 5x, and plus c we should write every time. Now f0 should be equal to, this will be 0, this will be 0, and c, and it is given that it is minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to c. It means c is equal to minus 1. What? So what will be the value of fx? So fx will be equal to, fx का value this one, x cube upon 3 plus 5x plus c. So c is minus 1. So minus 1. Okay. So this will be the fx जो function है ये होगा. So we have another question, that is f dash is given this function f 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus k, and f0 का value, f1 का value is given, and we have to find out fx. So what will be the value of fx? fx का value क्या होगा, integrating this f dash x will get fx. Okay, so 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus k dx. ठीक है, so what value will get, we will get this value 4x cube मतलब 4 into x to the power 4 divided by 4 minus 3 into x cube upon 3 plus 2 into x square upon 2 plus kx. ठीक है, so 4 cancel, 3 cancel, 2 cancel. So fx will be equal to x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus kx. ठीक है, now f0 or and c also constant should be there, c. Okay, now f0 means f0 will be equal to 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c. Okay, and f0 is 1, it means c will be equal to 1. Okay, now f1 is 4, so now we'll write for f1. f1 matlab this will be 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus k plus c का value is 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1 cancel, so k plus 2. Okay, and this one is given 4. Okay, so k plus 2 is equal to 4, it means k is equal to 2. ठीक है, now we have to find out the value of fx. So fx का value क्या होगा? The function x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus kx. तो k का value is 2, तो plus 2x, and c का plus c का value is 1, so plus 1. So this will be the value of fx. ठीक है, we have another question, and in this question f dash x का value is given and f0 and f3 is also given. You have to find out fx. So what will be the value of fx? Fx will be integration of f dash x with respect to x. ठीक है, it means integrating x square upon 2 minus kx plus 1 with respect to x. So x square upon 2 will get x cube upon 2 into 3, that will be 6 minus kx. So kx square upon 2 plus 1 will be x. ठीक है, and plus c. So now this will be the value of fx. So f0 के लिए f0 will be equal to this 0 0 0. जहाँ भी x है, whenever x is 0 मतलब whenever x is किसी भी चीज़ को we are multiplying by x will get 0. किसी भी चीज़ को we are multiplying by 0 will get 0. So putting the value of x 0. So जहाँ भी x रहेगा that term will be 0. Only c will be here. So it means f0 is equal to 2. So c, it means c is equal to 2. ठीक है, now f3 का value we have to find out. f3 का value will be 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27 upon 6. ठीक है, minus k and 3 square, that is 9. So k 9k upon 2 plus 3 plus c का value is 2. Okay, so and this value is given by 5. It means 5 will be equal to 27 upon 6. So this will be 2 and this will be 9. 9 upon 2, 9 upon 2 minus 9k upon 2, minus 9k upon 2 and plus 3 plus 2, मतलब x का value is 3 and c का value is 2, तो 5. So plus 5. ठीक है, so 5 is equal to this. Okay, so 5 cancel, plus minus. So what value we are getting? 9k upon 2 is equal to 9k. Sorry, 9k upon 2 will be equal to 9k, 9 upon 2. Cancel, 9 cancel, 2 cancel. So k का value will be 1. ठीक है, so now what will be the value of fx? So fx का value will be x cube upon 6 minus k. k x square, k का value is 1, so x square upon 2 plus x plus c, c का value is 2. So this will be the function fx. This will be the value. Okay, we are seeing the method of substitution. In that method says that if x is equal to phi of t and phi t is a differentiable function of t. Okay, so if x is equal to phi of t, it means then fx dx, the integral of fx with respect to x will be equal to f phi of t, because we'll put in substitution of x का value will put here, phi t जो है that will put everywhere. So here we'll put, then fx will become f phi t, okay, phi of t, and dx will become, how we can find out dx? So x is equal to phi t. So in that case, dx upon dt will be equal to phi t upon dt. Okay. Now phi t upon dt can be written as phi dash t, because phi t is the differentiable function of t. So phi t upon phi of t upon dt, matlab differential function of this one. This is a differential function of t. So the derivative of phi t with respect to t will be equal to phi dash t. Okay. So what we are doing here, dt and dt ko here we are moving. So what dx upon dt will be equal to phi dash t. So dx will be equal to phi dash t into dt. So what we are doing here, यहाँ पे dx की जगह we are putting phi dash t dt. Okay. So this is substitution method. This is method of substitution, and here if x is equal to phi of t, phi t is a function of differentiable function of t. So in that case, we can put the value like this. If fx dx will be written as f phi t into phi dash t dt. Okay. So this is the method of substitution, and by using this method, we'll do more sums. Okay. So let's start. By using the substitution method, the method of substitution will do this sum. So how we'll do this sum? Here, let log of x is equal to t. Okay. This means differentiating both sides with respect to t. What we'll get? We'll get 1 upon x into dx upon dt will be equal to 1. Okay. Because t with respect to t will get 1. It means, this means 1 upon x into dx will be equal to dt. ठीक है. So ये हमारा value हुआ. Now next what we have to do, so it means that integration will be equal to this one, I will be equal to log x is t. So t to the power 7 will write. Now 1 upon x into dx is there, so that is 1 upon x into dx is equal to dt. So dt integrate करेंगे. So what will be the value? When we are integrating t to the power 7 with respect to t, what we'll get? It will be increased, the power will increase by 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. T to the power 8 divided by 8. Okay. So t ka value is log of x. Okay. And log of x to the power 8 divided by 8 or plus c. Yes, always we should keep plus c. Okay. So I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.